Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at the kill and contain disposable mousetrap made by Raid. It says it kills mice dead with no see, no mess disposal. This contains 2 traps, so let's take them out of the package and see how they work. Here's what the kill and contain mousetrap looks like out of the box. It's made out of white plastic, has a lever on the side here. When it's up it says not set, down here it says set, and in the middle there's red letters that say mouse caught. It's very narrow so it can fit down in tight spaces. This is where the mouse enters. Now you notice when it's not set, there's no floor there, but when you push it forward, there's a spring and a floor that latches in place. The idea is the mouse goes in there, that spring pushes the floor up and slams the mouse's body into the back of the trap. That's how it kills it. In the back here, we have a little compartment for the bait that just comes down. You put your peanut butter, close it in. Now over a year ago, I featured a trap under the same name, an identical design made by Tomcat. The biggest problem I had with that trap is hard to set. It felt like the plastic was cheap, the mechanisms just weren't well built. So we're going to test out the Raid version and see if it's made out of a higher quality material. To set it, you should be able to just pull this down and it clicks into place. It does. That's already an improvement. The mouse will come along, step on that floor, go past the floor, hit the trigger, and it goes up. Well, I already know that this is easier to set than the first version I tested out. Let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see if a wild deer mouse will go in there, step on that floor, hit the trigger, the spring will go up. Hopefully in the morning it says mouse caught. So let's head out to the barn and see if it works. Last night we set up this plastic disposable mousetrap in the barn and we got a mouse. It even says mouse caught right there, so you don't have to look inside and see a dead mouse. Now personally I prefer mousetraps you can reuse, but some people don't want to deal with a dead mouse, they don't want to look at it, they just want to set a trap and throw the whole thing in the garbage. If that's you, this is a good option. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.